Welcome to Sophia Science, the YouTube channel that answers all your questions about the world of science, including science mysteries, aliens. The content of today's video is
Scientists find ancient bacteria in ice. Proof of life on Mars? The main content in this video includes discovery of a rare community of bacteria trapped in Arctic ice for nearly 1 million years. Why these microbes could be the key to proving life exists on Mars. Connection between Norway's volcanic ice cores and Martian meteorites. How life can survive in extreme cold, darkness, and isolation. The role of water and ice in the search for extraterrestrial life. What this means for future Mars missions and the possibility of alien life. Now, let's get started. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine. Deep within the frozen wilderness of the Arctic, where icy winds sweep across endless white plains, a team of scientists is drilling into a glacier. The air is silent, broken only by the echoing crunch of metal against ancient ice. And then, something extraordinary emerges from the frozen depths. Not just ice, not just minerals, but life. Hidden inside the bluish cores of ice, researchers discovered a complex and rare community of bacteria, tiny survivors that may have been trapped there for nearly 1 million years. Creatures so small, yet so resilient, living in one of the most hostile environments on Earth. The discovery took place on the remote Svalbard archipelago in northern Norway, where volcanoes rise above glaciers like jagged guardians of time. Here, scientists drilled into the frozen layers of the Surafell volcano, searching not only for answers about Earth, but also about Mars. Why Mars? Because the minerals found in this icy volcano, especially magnetite crystals, are almost identical to those discovered in a famous Martian meteorite that crashed in Antarctica back in 1996. That meteorite once sparked global debate. Could it hold traces of Martian life? Now, with these bacteria preserved in Arctic ice, the mystery deepens. Andrew Steele from the Carnegie Institution in Washington explains, the frozen volcanic cores we've found here could also exist on Mars. And if they do, then perhaps life exists there too. Think about that for a moment. If microorganisms can survive in ancient frozen glaciers on Earth, feeding off minerals and clinging to life in total darkness, then why not on Mars? After all, in 2004, NASA and the European Space Agency confirmed that water ice does exist on Mars, locked away in its polar caps. And if there's water, even in frozen form, the possibility of life becomes far more real. This discovery doesn't just answer a scientific question, it ignites our imagination. Somewhere beneath the red dust of Mars, beneath the barren, cold surface, could there be tiny communities of organisms waiting to be found? Could those glaciers on Mars, untouched for millions of years, hold the same secrets as the Arctic ice on Earth? It's a reminder of how resilient life truly is. It adapts, it endures, and it hides in the most unexpected corners of the universe. What we've found in the frozen heart of Norway may one day be the key to proving that Earth is not alone in bearing life. And if that day comes, humanity will look at the night sky differently. The stars will no longer just be distant lights. They will be the signposts of a universe where life, however small, however hidden, is far more common than we ever dared to believe.
Welcome to Sophia Science, the YouTube channel that answers all your questions about the world of science, including science mysteries, aliens.